brothers and sisters. So I have a big family.
Yeah, I'd say so. All right. So let's get started on number 1. Okay. So a local preschool, there's a ratio of 3 boys for every 4 girls. If there are 245 total preschoolers, how many are boys?
Um. So you.
How do you
Never.
think we would set this up?
So we would do.
What's it asking for? What number is it asking for?
How many boys are there?
Boys. So we need this boy number, right?
Yeah. So you could say 3 boys.
Yes. Well, here, actually, we don't need to do anything. I'll write it on the other sheet of paper. So 3 boys.
Here.
And then I'm going to have a total. Remember, a lot of the times total goes on the bottom. But we have to figure out a total, though. Remember, we're going to add the boys and the girls together. So 3 boys plus 4 girls gives me how many total? Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Jasmine, how many total? Out of boys and girls. 7, good. So there's the total that I need for the bottom. So 7 total. And then the other number that it gives me was what?
Hold on. I'm gonna get it on my computer.
But you're writing everything down on a piece of paper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
I think it's better. I think it's way easier doing it on paper than.
Yes, on that, I don't like doing it online. That's why I'm like, everybody should just do it on paper. Okay, so what's the other number that they give me in my problem?
Can you show me the piece of paper real quick? Because mine's taking forever.
So the other number that they give me.
245.
Right, so, and that said total, so I'm matching them up. Where do they go?
It goes, I believe it goes on the bottom.
Right, because there's my other total. So 245 total. And then where do I put my X?
On the top.
Right, because I don't know that. And then I'm just gonna, what's my first step I've got to do?
Well, since you can't do, I don't know how to say it, but, so you're gonna do 7x.
Right, I'm gonna cross multiply.
No.
So then, Jasmine, what's 3 times 245? You can do a calculator on your computer. Oh my goodness.
2, 4, 5. Wait, so multiply?
Yeah, you're multiplying the 3 times 245.
I know the answer.
Jasmine, yes, good. 735. And then, is there somebody else on here?
No.
Oh, no. I forgot to get off the other meet. Okay, sorry. And then what am I going to do?
And then you're going to put the 7 underneath it, cross it out.
That's division, because I have to divide both sides by whatever is in front of that X. So then, Raylan, what's 735 divided by 7?
735 divided by 7?
Yes.
Yeah. 105? Or did I do that wrong?
No, that's right. It's 105. But 105 what, though? What's my problem asking me?
Boys.
Boys, yes. So 105 boys. And then I'm going to go down here, and I have 105 as E for number 1. Okay.
Can you tell me the answer real quick? Because as I was saying it, I wasn't writing it down.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and start with number 2. I have number 1 right there, okay?
Okay.
So Stan's Steakhouse has a server to cook a ratio of 5 to 12. So we already have a ratio there. The total number of servers and cooks is 42. So I have a total here of 42 of both of them. But it says server to cook is 5 to 2. So the server is first. Because is the 5 because it came first. So I'm going to draw an arrow to the 5. And then the cook is the number 2 because it's second in the sentence. Okay? So then I've got to figure out another total though, right? So what did we do up here?
We multiplied it. I mean, we added it.
Right. I'm going to add this 5 and 2, the 5 server plus the 2 cook. That'll give me
7.
Yeah. So 7 total. Again, wow, we're using like the same numbers all the time. But how many servers? So we're looking at servers. What's my number that goes with server?
No, not 40.
Huh?
Is it 42?
What number goes with server? Remember, I drew arrows.
I can barely see. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm going to pin my thing to your screen.
Jasmine, do you know which one is the server?
Would it be 5?
Yes. So that's what's going to go on the top. So 5 server or servers because it's more than one. And then, and then the total that we found was what when we added those servers and cooks together?
7.
Yep.
7 total.
And then what is the other number they gave me?
42.
42 total. So where does that go? The 42 total, Jasmine. Where does it go? On the top or the bottom? You just put a T or a B. On the bottom, yes, because that's total as well. So it was 42. 42 total. And then my X, I don't know what's on the top. So then I'm just cross multiplying, right?
Yes.
So 7X equals 5 times 42.
210.
Yep. And then what do I have to do, Jasmine? Yep. I'm going to divide by the 7 on both sides, whatever is in front of the X. So then, Raylan, X equals what? 210 divided by 7.
210 divided by 7. Divided by 7 equals 30.
Yes. 30 what, though? We're working with word problems, so I have to have a word here. What did it ask me?
30 servers.
Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here, and C is where 30 is, so we just did number 2. So C. I'm interested to see what 0 said to 8. I still don't know. Bell? Something bell? Or belt? I don't know. Okay, sorry. Segue. All right, number 5. We'll have 2 left. Okay?
Wait, we did number 5? I thought we did number 5.
No, we did number 4. We did in class, we did 3, 4, 6, and 8. And then you had 1, 2, 5, and 7 left.
Okay, well, then I numbered everything wrong then.
Okay, well, we'll go back and fix the numbering after this, okay? So let's just stay with me, and then we'll go back, okay?
Okay.
All right. Oops, wrong way. Okay. So number 5, it says that, oh, look, it says Jasmine, but spelled differently. That's spelled like how my sister-in-law spells it. So Jasmine is a receptionist at a doctor's office. She books 36 appointments each day. 4, so that's the number 4 there. Out of every 24 appointments are canceled. How many appointments are canceled each day? So how many appointments are canceled each day? All right.
So we do is 36 plus 4. 24.
Well, how many did it say? How many are canceled out of every 24 appointments?
Oh, 4.
4. So 4 are canceled. We'll say it like that. Canceled out of how many total appointments each day? Jasmine, how many total each day? So 4 out of how many appointments are canceled each day? Which number? Just guess if you don't know. Jasmine, there's only 2 other numbers left in there. So which 2 numbers? Is it either 36 or 24? $24. That's right, because that one's talking about the canceled. The 36 is just the appointments each day. So 24 of them are canceled. So 24 would be our total. Now, I've got to figure out, they gave me that other number, and it says 36 appointments each day. So each day tells me, is that a total or a canceled?
Total.
If it says that she books 36 appointments each day, would that be the total amount that she books each day, or does it say that they're canceled?
They're just canceled.
No, it just says that she books 36 appointments each day. So the 36 would be a total.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then the X on the top. Okay, you guys figure this out and then tell me what your answer is, okay?
I'm sorry for the background noise, by the way.
I don't mind. You all are the only ones. They went to lunch, so you guys are the only ones in here right now. And we still have another 15 minutes, and we only have one problem left after this. So
that would be.
So Jasmine, when you get done, type the answer in the chat, and then Raylan, you can say it out loud.
Okay.
34. Oh, man.
How do I? One more.
Oh.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Jasmine, are you finished with it? No.
Quick question: what should I put for the wording? Like x equals blank.
Well, what does the question ask? Go back to the question at the very end of it and see what it asks.
Okay.
You want me to put it up here?
No, it's okay. I can get it.
Okay. Whoops. Jasmine, let me know when you get the answer in there. Or when you get the answer, you can put it in the chat.
We're on number 5, right?
Yes. We're talking about appointments. Really?
That's a lot of.
But what is it specifically asking for? So read the last sentence and what is it asking for?
It's asking how many canceled appointments are. How many appointments are canceled each day?
Right. So you would just say X is however many the number is canceled each day.
Sorry. I just got an email from
Jasmine, did you get it? Jasmine, did you get it?
Sorry.
Not yet. Okay. Rylan, what'd you do first?
Okay, so what I did was, I said, I don't know how to say it, but I put the X on top and I put 34 on the bottom, which the 34 was the total and like the.
You mean the 36?
I mean the 36. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wait.
So then you cross multiplied though, right?
Yeah, then I did the thing wrong because I did 34.
So 24x equals, and then 4 times 36. What's 4 times 36? Jasmine, what's 4 times 36? Yes. So 144. And then what do I do next? Raylan, what do I do next?
You're going to put the 24 on the bottom.
Right. I've got to divide by whatever is in front of the x to both sides. Then, Jasmine, what does that give me? $144 divided by 24. Right. So 6, and then what did we say, Raylan?
So then we do x equals.
But 6, I have to have words after it. 6 what?
Canceled appointments each day.
Yes. So cancel. I'm just going to say canceled appointments, so I don't have to write all that out. Okay. Last one is number 7. I wonder if I have enough room. I should.
I had to like write all mine on like. See, I kind of write big, so I have to put.
Oh, that's all right.
3 separate pieces of paper.
Right. So number 7. The local library has a children's section with picture books and chapter books. So there's picture books here and there's chapter books. The ratio is 2 to 3. So look, what comes first is the 2. So which type of book came first in my sentence?
Total library has chapter books.
That's second. Which one came first?
Picture books.
Right. So the 2 in the ratio goes with the picture. I'm just going to write picture. I'm not going to write books. And then 3 is next. And which one came next in my sentence?
Chapter books.
Right, so chapter. And then I'm probably going to have to do something with those, but I don't know yet. Because I've not read the rest. But I just wanted to write it out just like that. So if there are a total of 500 books in the whole children's section, how many chapter books are in the section? So the whole children's section has 500 books, but it just wants to know about the chapter section. So, oops, I just kicked my heater. Oh. All right, so how we're going to set this one up, which one goes with chapter? Because it's talking about the chapter. What number did we figure out?
Would it be 2?
Which number did we write by chapter?
Oh, 3. Sorry.
Okay, so 3 chapters, which is chapter books, over. I need a total here.
Oh, your total is.
So how many books, though, total? 500. Well, that's the total in the whole thing. But out of the picture books and chapter books, how many total? I'm going to have to add here.
5.
Right, so 5 total. And then I'm going to write that on the bottom over here. 5 total. Now, Raylan, you said that I have another total of 500. Where's that total going, Jasmine? On the top or the bottom? Because it's a total. You can just do T or B. On the bottom, right. So 500 total goes on the bottom, and then my X goes on the top. And then I'm just cross multiplying. So you all figure this one out, and then let me know when you're done. Oh, I forgot to put the number. 5 was 6. So T. So make sure you get all the numbers correct.
Yeah, last time I didn't.
I know, sometimes one number can mess you up pretty good.
Okay.
Pretty big number.
What?
It's a pretty big number.
Yeah, it's really big. So at least I know I'm kind of right there. I always forget what to do whenever I'm done multiplying.
So did you already come up with this number over here?
Yeah.
Well, what did we do on the one before?
And then we take the 5.
Right, so you divide by whatever is in front of the X.
Okay, so 5.
But you have to do it to both sides.
5 over 5. Okay, so I have to divide it by 5. Divided by 5.
Jasmine, do you have the answer?
Oh my god. Shouldn't the dividing number be small?
Okay. Jasmine, what'd you get? Awesome. 300 what, though? What is the question asking me? Huh?
300 chapter books.
Chapter books, that's right. So you all got 1,500 here and then 300 chapter books. Oh, I forgot to circle my answers. All right, so Raylan, you need to look back and see which ones you need to renumber and what they look like. Just match them, which I wrote mine in a different order, so mine are not in order. But Because I have 1, 2, and then my 3 is up here, then 4, then 5 down here, then 6, then 7, then 8. But just look and see and just fix your numbers, though.
The only ones that I mixed up was I did 4 2 times instead of 1.
Okay.
And so what I did was I erased the second 4 and put a 5. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. No numbers.
Okay.
I'm going to take pictures of this real quick and
upload it. You got to make sure that you upload your notes as well that you did today.
Yeah, I know. I put note so it could be easier on you guys. I put notes on top. Oh, what was that? I thought I had more than just stuff. No, let me go look at this one.